everyone. Today I am going to talk about the parts of a plant and what is fertilization and pollination. Show the parts of a hibiscus flower. These are called petals. Petals are there to attract insects. These, you can see here, right? They are called the sepals. Now let's move on to the male reproductive part called the stamen. You can see this long line here is called filament. You can see also here few yellow ones. Those are called the anthers. On the anthers you will find pollen. You can only see pollen with a microscope. Now let's move on to the female reproductive part called the stigma. You can see a white part here, right? That is called the stigma. A stigma is sticky so it can catch the pollen. Let's now move on to another one called the ovum. You can see something here, something underneath here, some water. That is called the ovum. Now, whenever a pollen goes inside the stigma, it travels down this huge long line and it reaches the ovum. The long line is called a style. When it reaches the ovum, that's when pollination stops and fertilization begins. What happens is the pollen on the anthers will turn into a seed and the ovary inside will turn into a fruit, and the flower will completely die and a fruit will pop out.